Today we'll talk about how can you disable follow suggestions on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next step here, just click here on notifications. So then you come to this list, then you just click here on from threads. Then you go down, you just come here to follow suggestions. Click here in this sign, like you see this color here show for us. That's mean follow suggestions. It is enabled with disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.